In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts to Google Slides. Let's get started by opening Google Slides in your browser. From the home screen, you'll see several ways to reach your work. To quickly find what you were working on, click the Recent Presentations view. This shows files you've opened lately, so it's a fast way to jump back in without hunting through folders. Next, pick the presentation you want to update. Click it once to open it. When the deck loads, decide which part of the slide needs a new look. Maybe it's a title, a subtitle, or a block of body text. Click directly on that text box so it becomes active. Now highlight the text you want to change. You can drag across a few words, double-click to grab a single word, or triple-click to select an entire paragraph. If you want everything in that text box, use Command-say on Mac or Control-say on Windows. Highlighting is important because only the selected text will adopt the new font. With your text selected, head up to the toolbar at the top of the screen and click the font drop-down. It shows the current font name. Clicking it opens a list of available styles. Browse the list and choose the font you prefer. You can scroll to explore options or start typing a name to jump directly to it. Think about readability for body text and a bit more personality for headings. As you hover, you'll see the names rendered in their own styles, which helps you quickly gauge the look. Finally, click the font you want. The change applies immediately to the highlighted text, so you'll see the update on your slide right away. If it isn't what you expected, just reopen the drop-down and pick a different option until you're happy with the result. Remember, Slides saves automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to do to keep your changes. That's the entire process. Open Google Slides, go to Recent Presentations, open your file, choose the text, highlight it, open the font menu, pick your font, and confirm by clicking it. Repeat these same steps on other text boxes to keep your design consistent across your presentation. Thanks for watching. If this helped, feel free to follow along again the next time you're refining a deck. Changing fonts is quick once you know where to look.